friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can increase the CPU of your system. So basically, first I want to explain how it works. Whenever the manufacturer of CPU manufacture a CPU, for example, if you are using an octa-core, basically they are 8 cores or 8 chips that are currently working. But to maintain the stability or the long life of the CPU, the manufacturer builds an extra 8 cores, or either if you are using quad core, then there would be extra 4 cores or 4 chips. So what is the purpose of that extra cores or extra chips? Basically, there is a reason that either the chip stop working, there must be a backup chip or backup core that must replace it. But in the modern days it rarely even happens. So we are going to use that extra cores or extra chips that are already present in our CPU, and we will take the complete benefit of that extra cores. So how can we do that? Let's move towards the screen. So friends, we are here on the screen, and first what we have to do is go towards the start menu and type msconfig. After typing msconfig, you must go towards the boot option. And be careful over here, if you disturb the setting of boot, your boot process may be weird. So you have to go towards the advanced option, and there you will see a number of processor. Check the number of processor. You will see here a number of processors that are present in your CPU. You must have to choose the largest option available in your system. So for me it is 8. I will select 8, and after that I have to do OK, and then apply, and then OK, and we will exit without restart because we haven't done yet. What we have to do further, we have to type over here performance monitor and run it as administrator. After opening this, we have to go towards the data collector set, and then we have to go towards user defined. This type of interface will open. Then you have to right click and add new data collector set. So here you have to name this as CPU, and then create manually advanced and press next, and then another pop-up will open, and you have to check just the performance counter, and you have to press next, and here this type of interface will open. Then you have to add over here, and be careful over here, it will taking a moment. So we are here. Then you have to open the processor, and you have to select the highest option in the indices of selected objects. For me it is 7 because indexes start from the 0 and up to 7. There are almost 8. Then you have to add this. After that you have to search for the process, not for the processor. So after this you have to find over here thread count. After selecting thread count, the thread count, and select and highlight the total, and then you have to add it, and you have done now. Then you have to press OK, and then just next over here, and you have to keep it as default, and you have to select save and close and just finish it. So after doing all this, you are now completely double the CPU of your system. So the final step is just start this, and the final step is you have to restart your computer, and your CPU is completely doubled. It works 100% on every system. Thanks for watching my video. If you learned from a video, so please like, share and subscribe.